Quick question.
Yeah.
How do you know it's worth building a harness like Hermes or Claude?
You mean
Because
how do you know it's worth using?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So Hermes and OpenClaw are so okay. Hermes, OpenClaw, Codex, and Claude Code, all four are just harnesses, and you can interchange the models underneath, right? So there's different concepts like the harness itself, and then the models, the intelligence themselves, and then your
Hmm.
workspace is like your actual like folder directory. So there's like three concepts to separate, and the harness itself, you know to use Hermes or OpenClaw if you want to set up a more of like a personal assistant. So if you're only working on like a singular project, it's not worth it to set up OpenClaw or Hermes. I would just go with Codex directly or Claude Code. And once you get to a place where things are getting complicated, especially if you have to work with other people as well, you have like a team, then you can set up like Hermes or OpenClaw in like a Discord or Slack so people can communicate with your AI as well. And you can have it running on, for example, like a separate computer that's running 24/7. So even when you go outside, you can like prompt it from your phone. So it gives you like more extensibility and flexibility like as an assistant, but otherwise, it's the same thing. Like Hermes, OpenClaw, Codex, Claude Code, it's all pretty much the same thing. Some like they have improvements every month, every day. So sometimes one harness is a little bit better than the other, and there's like a little bit of differences. For example, Hermes has a automatic skill learning capability that OpenClaw doesn't, which is why I would recommend setting up Hermes over
Hmm.
OpenClaw. And then another like difference is like Hermes and OpenClaw are open source, so you can use any model with them. Whereas Codex and Claude Code, you're kind of stuck with their default models, which is like Anthropic or OpenAI models. But there's like stuff you can do to like bypass that, but then it's like you have to bypass that. It doesn't just come with the system. So there's like some small nuances here and there. But if you're just starting out, I wouldn't worry about trying to set all of this up. Okay, just get good with one harness, and I would recommend that to be either Codex or Claude Code, and just focus on that. If you're a business owner or someone who works at a company and you're not as efficient as you'd like, I'd like to help. I'm live every Sunday on YouTube and Twitch at this time below, answering all your questions about AI and content. So come by and we'll figure out how to help you best where you should start. And if you want more personalized help, I also have a private community you can join where I host weekly calls, whichever one you want. So I hope to see you there next Sunday and we'll figure out how to help you.